Welcome everyone. In this short video, we're going to be editing an existing lesson. In that lesson, we're going to be adding video, tooltips, and an overview page. We're actually going to be working with a lesson that we've previously created. We'll log into our SoftChalk Cloud account, roll over my content, and click or choose Lessons. We're going to be editing the history of instructional designers. To edit the lesson, we point to the pencil tool on the right-hand side of that line. This starts SoftChalk Create online and will allow us to edit our lesson. Let's first of all add a video. We simply place our cursor where we would like the video to be located. I'm going to place a video of Benjamin Bloom's taxonomy right below his paragraph. So I press enter to create a new or blank line, and then I'm going to click on the media tool using our toolbar. This will allow me to add video from my locally stored videos that are stored in our SoftChalk Cloud, and videos that might exist or live on the internet. I have previously gone into YouTube and captured a video link for Bloom's taxonomy. I'm just going to paste that link in this line. I'm going to make it display as an inline player, so the video will appear directly in our lesson page. I could now enter the width and the height for our video. I'm going to enter a width of 720 and a height of 480. The URL for our subtitles is actually part of the video. This video is closed caption, so I'm now just going to click OK. We see the video dialog window. We can click on the center alignment tool to center that video horizontally on our screen. We'll look at the results of our video insertion in just a few minutes. That's our first topic. Next, let's add a tooltip. I'm going to scroll down to where I see M. David Murrell. I'm going to select three main theories as the anchor for our tooltip. With this as an anchor, I'll then point and click on the tooltip tool from our SoftChalk Create toolbar, and it displays our Edit Tooltip dialog window, where I have the ability to type in a title for my tooltip. I'll click in the title box. Notice we get a toolbar that allows us to enhance text either before or after we enter. I'm going to type in some text. I'm going to enhance that text. I'm going to select it and change its size. I'll make it 140% of its original size. I can also modify it so it becomes centered horizontally within our tooltip dialog window. Next, I'm going to add content for my tooltips. I'm going to type in three different theories. I'll click in the content area and notice we get a toolbar there where again we can use this to enhance our text. I'll type in the text that I want. I now have the ability to select all of that text and make it into bulleted paragraphs. Tooltips may also be used to add media, graphics, or hyperlinks within our tooltip itself. I'll click OK, and we have now added a tooltip within our lesson. Finally, let's add an overview page into the lesson. To add an overview page, we go to our Properties tool and click. This displays our Properties dialog window. What we're now ready to do is to click on the Overview page. The dialog window for the overview page starts by allowing us to include it within our lesson. We can have a start button that will start our lesson. We're ready to type in a title For our overview page, I'll click on my lesson overview and type. And now what I want to do is explain to the students what this lesson is going to include. So I'll click and type. And again, notice this overview panel may contain hyperlinks, images, or media. I can even have a table of contents appear in the overview page. I'll then click OK, and we've now created our overview page. Let's save what we've done and preview, which means I can just click on the Preview tool. It then saves what I've been working on, and we then see our overview page. Notice the table of contents appears. Let's start our lesson, and let's now move into page 3. Page 3 is where we added our video. We notice the video is centered. Students can then click on the play button. They can turn on closed captions if they would like, and then they can watch the video. We'll pause that. Let's now go to page 4. Page 4 is where we created a tooltip. We roll over the tooltip and it displays the contents of our tooltip. Rolling off and it goes away. To anchor a tooltip on the screen, students just click on the anchor text, and then rolling away from the tooltip anchor keeps the tooltip on the screen. Students can then close it by clicking on the X button. And that's everything that I wanted to show in our second Getting Started with Softalk video. Thanks, everyone.